Welcome viewers, welcome Smash Team. This video was originally streamed to Twitch and I'd like to wish all of you viewers a happy Smashtober. Whether you're viewing on YouTube or BitChute or on Twitch when we streamed this live. The first thing we're looking at are the jet streams of the Eastern world, which may be enough to frighten you. Who knows? Anyway, we've got extreme meridional jet stream flow over the West Pacific, where it's blowing from north to south, making for cold days in the Philippines. And two anticyclones rotate clockwise over the central North Pacific. The island archipelago of Hawaii, encased in an anticyclone. Oh, it's very scary, folks. Here are the surface winds, and there's Vietnam getting struck by a cyclone. It's weakened massively since the last time we looked at it. Some strong winds there at the south of Australia as well. Here are the surface winds of the western world. Yes, the surface winds of the western world. Western Mexico receiving some high winds and some high surf and so on. How about the jet streams? There are the jet streams of the west. The jet stream finally having some influence over U.S. weather as snow continues to fall. And we've got freeze warnings across much of New Mexico and Arizona and Nevada and Colorado and Utah, and also in Idaho, and even some in Oregon and California. Yeah, freeze warnings. All those dark purple, those are freeze warnings, folks. We hope all of your crops have been harvested. We've also got flooding likely here across much of Texas. And those yellow portions are, well, I have no idea what they are. It doesn't show. Oh, there we go. Tornado watches there over western Oklahoma. If your county's lit up, please click on it. This is weather.gov if you're wondering. Next are our NASA GOES lightning mapper, and we see a massive thunderstorm here, stretching from Texas all the way up into Iowa. Let's look at a real-time lightning map and see where lightning is currently striking. It's lightningmaps.org, and we've got a strong band of lightning here across the U.S. Yowzers. Hey, Des Moines, you're in the crosshair. Kansas City, it's coming your way as well. Tulsa, you're also in the crosshairs. Hey, Topeka, there's thunder rolling in. It's coming from your southwest, and you're going to get an extended period of thunderstorms, as this storm is going to train because of its direction of motion. And the U.S. is the lightning capital of the world at the moment, according to lightningmaps.org. So here's your snow forecast. And this has been downgraded a little bit here, still forecasting 18 inches of snow here in places like Rapid City, South Dakota. That's the European forecast for snow depth through tomorrow, Thursday, October 14th at 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Continuing on, here's your forecast model from Tropical Tidbits. This is the GFS forecast showing you where the low is going to be headed, as well as finally the mopping up of the snow. It's going to end in Colorado there with some wet snow falling in the northern portion of the state. Please note the time and date stamps and realize that this is the GFS forecast. This is the European forecast. By the way, thanks to our new follower over on Twitch, twitch.tv/smashamash is where this video was originally streamed. It does seem to be the world's premier streaming platform. By the way, check out our merch as well. smashamash.com has a link to it. Just click on SMASHO merch from our homepage. Welcome to the Neo-Renaissance. My vaccination status is none of your business. Those not responsible for your health care and the administration thereof have no right to any of your medical information. Congratulations on realizing that. It's called HIPAA, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996. We did a BitChute exclusive yesterday. Actually, it is on Twitch as well, but incompetence less than accountability, less than pull the plug Pull the plug on incompetent companies, folks. Stop doing business with incompetence. Just stop. Cast your dollar votes for appropriate entities like our channel. Pick up some merch, etc. Maybe become a member of the Smash team. Anyway, visit our links. If you're watching on YouTube, press like and subscribe and share. Tell your friends, foes, science noobs, and science pros about the channel. If you've got custom weather forecasts you'd like us to do, let us know. We'll consider it. We don't think the algorithms are helping us, but our Patreons are. Although, we're urging you to cancel your Patreon and become Smash Team members because it's just simply superior. So thanks to Smash Team members, thanks to patrons. Again, cancel your Patreon. Go to smashomash.com/SmashTeam and check it out. There's a bronze, a silver, a gold, and a gold paid up level. It's just vastly superior. The features that we have are unavailable on Patreon. Here's a sneak peek, and we'll scroll very quickly here to show you some stuff that nobody else gets to see. Next, looking at the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean, the world's largest body of water. Yeah, there's a lot of radiation coming out of the Pacific Ocean. There's a lot of carbon dioxide coming out of the Pacific Ocean. Did you know that all plants except things like large trees have a carbon footprint? Yeah, they produce carbon. Did you know that? Yeah, not all plants are carbon sinks, folks. Guess what plants do at nighttime with all of the sugar that they make through photosynthesis? They consume the glucose the same way you consume glucose through a process known as cellular respiration. And guess what the byproducts of that are, folks? Water vapor and carbon dioxide. Yeah, most plants have a carbon footprint. They are net producers of carbon dioxide, not sinks of it. And speaking of nonsense, the planet stinks of it. Nonsense and propaganda are pervading the, quote, science, and quote, of our time. Anyway, that's what's going on around the Pacific Ocean at the moment. Let's take a look at the U.S. Doppler radar map, and yowzers. Quite a bit of precipitation there. It's also snowing in southwestern Alaska. Wyoming getting some heavy snow. Apparently, in Wyoming, it's so hot that it's cold. Anyway, a classic low pressure here. Cold air filtering down from Canada and causing huge pressure gradients. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. A classic low pressure system here, currently centered right around the Wyoming-Nebraska border, actually. You can see that counterclockwise rotation. And here's an even better view of that, the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite's water vapor map. Here's a recap. Hopefully it helps. And if you've got questions about meteorology and so on, just leave them in the comments. Let us know what you're into. If you'd like any sort of custom forecasts, or you're located in a weird part of the world that we don't normally cover, like Southeast Asia, let us know in the comments. We'll consider forecasting your weather and teaching you how to do it as well. There is the water vapor map, the most definitive map that you can look at it if your Doppler is not helping out. So part of the reason the system is stagnating over Wisconsin is because of the rotation. And the jet stream is taking a bit of time here. The system is just going to move to the north, and it will cross the North Dakota-Canadian border in the next day or so. Anyway, once again, thanks for tuning in, folks. Congratulations on realizing our channel exists. Please visit the links, support the channel financially. If you'd like to see these videos continue to exist and remain publicly visible and free for all to view, I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network. Least busted, naming news.